Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Sir Joyce, kung kasama niyo nakita. This is my video. 3D integrals. 6 at 10 integrals. So first integrals here is the integrals of 10x negative 3 out. The integrals of 10x to the power of negative 3 plus 12x to the power of negative 9. Yes, negative 9 plus 4x cubed dx. So now, also first natong buhaton here is to add every exponent to 1. It's because not di na nato siya i-rewrite ang kani siya next equation. 10x, wait, have 10x, so negative 3 plus 1 is equals to negative 2. So put negative 2 sa boss. It's already every exponent, pila exponent i-add, we have to sa denominator also maasad siya. So 12x, so negative 9 plus 1 is equals to negative 8 plus 4x. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 4, and then the dx. Next, I have to simplify. So 10 divided by negative 2 is equals to negative 5x negative 2 plus, though din na siya plus, it's negative, it's because the positive and the negative is equals to negative. So what number that can be can be divided by the 12 and the 8? It can be simplified to 12 and 8. So 2 can be, but 4 is the greatest one. So 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3, and then 2. Negative 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, and then the x here, copy, then 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1, but I my x, so have just have to write the x. It's because if x na siya, then na siya 1 na siya ang value sa x. Not copy the dx, but plus 1, plus c. So this is the final answer. Final answer is negative 5x to the power of negative 2 minus 3 over 2x power of negative 8 plus 4x negative to the power of 4 plus c. So the next is the grade of x to the power of 8 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 4x to the power of 3 minus 2 over x to the power of 4 dx. So, as you can see, here na ay isa ka function nga nag-inusara si x4. So, ang atong gagawin natin dyan is to distribute this x4 to the tagsa-tagsa. Distribute na to siya. So, again, mag-write ta. X to the power of 8, x4 minus 6x (5) and then x4 plus 3 and then x4 minus 2 and then x4 dx. So, ano ang gagawin natin first? Is to simplify. Let's simplify. But this one, kasi sabihin na to siya, the exponent. The exponent, the numerator, denominator is 2 minus. So, kailangan equal 2x x x is over 2 4. 8 minus 4 equals 2, 4. And then 6 x 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So we need to write the 1. And then 4x 3. Yes. Power of 3 cube over x4 is equals to 4x negative 1. It's because mas dako man 4 man siya and then 3. And then 2x4 is equals to copy na siya. And then may mo na siya negative 4. Right? O siya reciprocate. Then let's have to add next step natong button is to add 1 in every exponent. And then the result of sa kanya as mo add, let's have put also the denominator sa result na gi-add nato siya. So x4 plus 1 is 5. Have to add 5 over 5. And then x, so 1 is equals to 2 over 2. Is right. Yes, I think it's right. And then 4x negative 1, it's the result. May mo na siyang 4 over x. Nag-reciprocate na siya. For x para may mong positive. And then the 2x negative 4 is ano siyang 2x and negative 3. Right? And then negative 3 sa plus c. So to siya ay simplify. So answer equals to 1 over 5. It's because x is to 1. Then x with the x5 is right. Where is 5? Yes, this is right, I guess. It's 1, 5. And then 5 na siya here. Minus 6x squared is equals to 2 is equals to 3x squared. Squared. Plus 4x. So, ano na siya? What's the result? X equals to ln. Ano siyang ln x? So, ano na siya ang equation? Ano na siyang ln? Ano na siyang positive? It's because of the same. Positive 2 over 3 2 over 3 and then the x and then ang negative 3 is negative 3 plus c. Is right ba? And this is the final answer. One fifth x over to the power of 5 minus 3x squared plus 4 ln x plus 2 over 3x negative to the power of negative 3 plus c. So this is the final answer. Next is integral of 2 cos x minus 6x tan x dx. So, dali na ni siya. Ano siya mo? Dali na kayo ni siya. 2. Saan na daw siya first? Okay, pwede ito siya largo. 2. So, what is the... Wait. Yes, right. What is the integrals? Oh, integrals. If we integrate the cos, what happened to the cos? Integrate to sine. The cos is may muna siyang sine, and what happened to the secant? Integrating the secant is equals to secant x, then plus c. So, this is the final answer. Dali na siya. And the next is this 6 over x to the power x cubed minus 2 over x dx. So first, atong excuse me. I have to rewrite this. I have to rewrite to black. Rewrite na to siya, may muna na siya. 6x over 6x where exponent of negative 3 2x guys is may muna na siya 2x to negative 1 dx. That's right. And then have to add 1 to the exponent. It's equals to 6 negative 2 or negative 2 plus 0. So may muna siya 2x again plus c. And then happen next. So 6x so may muna siyang negative 3x 3 equals to 2x as what you said ganyan basta ani siya ano siyang ln 2 ln x plus c. Is this the final answer? Yes, this is the final answer. This is just to kanang kaalagod pa. Basta yung ano siya na form. Ano siya na form. Muna siyang ln x. So next, I have the 7 over 3x to the power of 6 plus 1 over x to the power of 10 minus 2 to the power of square root of x to the power of 4 squared cube dx. First na natin gagawin, muna ito siya. Still an integrand talaga po. First, as I have to rewrite first this 7x. So what happened? Naman na siyang x negative 6 and then 1 as may mali siyang x. Ay, why? Naman na siyang x negative 10 kahit naman siya right? And then 2x and then 4 over over 3 dx. Rewrite na nato siya. So, next atong button is add 1 to every exponent. Then, so now, 7 3x equals to negative 6 plus 1 is equals to negative 5 over negative 5. If unsay na diri sa exponent sa igba, is mo siya itong e over plus d. X is over to the power of negative 10 is equals to x to negative 9. Then, so add. Wait, ang laki lang. In us, what happened to 2x? 4. Happy 2x and then have 2 plus 1 or 3 over 3. So 3 over 4 is equals to 7 over 3. Then, unsa din siya itong button sa denominator. Then, plus c. I know. This is positive ba? Wait. Is this positive? It's negative eh. Dapat pala dahil negative din siya. This negative 40 guys. It's negative 40 pag rewrite natin siya guys. So, everyone. So, nasa update ko. May one din siyang 1/3. It's because this is negative. That's so we have the answer. What's the answer, guys? Everyone. The answer is have to times this. Copy the 7 and then 3 times 5. Negative 5 is equals to negative 15. So there, ato ni butang negative here. And then 15 and the x pa. X. And then copy the x. Negative x. X. The power of negative 5. Siya makalamitan, guys. So next is the x over negative 9 to the power of 9. Negative 9 over negative 9 is equals to negative 1 over 9 x over 9. So now 1 siya, it's because x single na siya, so 1 na siya. Right? Yes, right. Wait a minute. It's negative 9. And then 2x 1/3. Ato atay. 2 times 3 is equals to 6 over 1. So, answer na siya 6. So, x and then negative 3. This is, guys, I really forgot. This is positive. Negative 1 pa na So, say pick ko negative 1. So, this result is positive. This is negative. Plus C. So, this is the final answer. Oh my god. Sorry, Sir Joyce. Next is this. 80 grades on the so what first we have to do? We have to do S2, rewrite. So tap into this. X squared of x 3 plus 2, 1/2. I 1/3. Since wala na siya din number, you have to rewrite this 2, then x2, 3/5, and then dx. So next, what's the next you have to do is to add a 1 to every exponent. What's the result of this one is my put say denominator. So plus 1 here is equals to 4/3. And then sa denominator side is 4/3. And then 10x 3/5 is equals to 8/5. 8/5. So was that 8/5? Then plus c. So what's the answer? Yes, 3 this x is times 3 is equals to 3, and then copy the 4, so forget it, x, then 4, then 3 plus, so 10 times 5 is equals to 50 over 8x 8/5 plus c. But what I must simplify? Of course, we have to simplify the 50 and the 8. What number could simplify this both? Number could simplify this number 50 and 8. It's the 2. So 50 is equals to here 25. Then the 8 wait a minute. 25 and then oh my gosh. Trace 25 gosh, paano tayo? And then 4. X is at 5 plus c. So this is the final answer. Ay, wait. That's the final answer. The next is this is a substitution. So let's have the integral of 8x minus 12 and then 4x cubed out squared plus minus 12x array of 4. First is a u substitution. Have to highlight. What's the highlight this? You have the u, the du, and the dx. So what is the d?
Power
The d
on.
was
Bluetooth mode.
du is the 4x squared minus 2 12x.
USB mode.
Ate! Nag-video ko eh. So the u substitution, the highlight here is the 4x cubed out squared minus 12x. So have to derive this u. Here's the du, we have to derive this for x squared minus 12x. We have to 8x and then minus 12. Dx is du and the 8x minus 12. This is the u substitution, guys. Okay. So let's have to write this. No, it's black. It's red. So here is copy the 8. My gosh, so hard. 8x minus 12, then the u, or and then this dx, here the u, and then 5x 8x pala. It's 8x minus 8, 8x minus 12 is 12 siya. My gosh. Minus 12 and then the dx. Next as we have to this the 8x 12 the 2 over this here, to copy, to cancel out du 4 and then du. Second, have to cancel out this one. So, number na lang is du power of 4 du. 4. Next is have to add 1 to the exponent. 4 plus 1 was to 5, and then the du, and then next is simplify. Have to simplify. But pwede, yes, to finish siya dito nga. 5, sino siya. So have to simplify the 2. Since nandun siya 5 here, nandun siya 5 here. Have to simplify 1 over 5, then u, and then 5. So why 1? It's because u is 1. Then plus c. That's the answer? No. I have to put u. I have to simplify the u. us equals to 4x squared plus 12x. Then what should we put on this? 5. If you should, why 5? It's because here 5. Init na siya here. It's because of this. Because of this. So this is the final answer. Final answer is this. The 1/5 or x squared minus 12x power 5 dx. Next is the integrals of 3 minus 3 4w 4w squared minus 6 plus 7 times the whole. First is have to find the use blue, the lighter one. Choose the highlight one. Ano ba? What U? The USD. Highlight USD for W squared minus 6W plus 7. Have to derive that to put the D. Have to 8x minus 6W because 7 is equals to 0. It's a constant number, so it equals to 0. Have to du, then at x, why at x? 8W pala to. Sorry, 8W minus 6. Then you have to write this to use the other color. Have to use red. So first here, copy the 3 minus 4W. Should put the U and then let's U is not 4. To put again 8. Raise the U over 10 and then the DW is DU 8W minus 6. That's right. And then next one is you have to this 3 minus 4 is we have to this 8x. Wait a minute. I have copy first. So you have to para na siya, ma-cancel out ang 3 minus 4. To have this 3 minus 4. And then what takes is negative 2. Because if we times the negative 2 times 3 is equals to negative 6. And then negative 2 is equals to 3W is equals to 8W. So that's right. Para ma-cancel out din natin sa. So we have put again the 10W and then the DU. It's 8 DU. Yes, it's DU. So next is have to may integers pa to there. Have to put this. Pagkawasin na to siya. May integrals pa here. Yes, you have this. I forgot to part the integrals here. So that's negative 1/2 because of U 10 plus C. Is right. Do I make right? Yes, I guess it's. But dito pa niya siya. Di sa niya siya. D. So next I still have to add 1 to the exponent. Alright. Yes, I guess I needed it. Up to 1 and then U here 10 plus 1 is equals to 11 over 11 plus C. Wait guys. Next is to simplify. To copy the negative 1/2 not 1/2 day. Times ini na to siya, guys. Have 2 times the 1 in the u is equals to 1. But we have first the negative. Not forget the 1. 1 and then 2 times 11 is equals to 22. Then the u, I should not forget the 11. Wait. U11 plus C. Is the final answer? Of course, no. Ayun na to siya ipot ang final answer. Wait, kapinsan na to siya. So, negative 1 to the 2 u11 plus C. So we have to copy the 11 over 22 and then the u, u there, at is the u. This. Have copy the u. Have the 4w's squared and then minus 6w plus 7 and then 11 then plus C. Question, is this the final answer? Yes, this is the final answer. This is the final answer of the 3 minus 3w 4w squared minus 6w plus 7 then 10. I guess this is the last one. No. So let's have the negative rate of 90x squared minus sine then 2 plus 6x cubed dx. First, as we have to write the u, du, and the dx. What equations here that highlight? That's the 2x. 2 plus 6x3. Because I guess it is the highlight one is because of the exponents, I guess. That's things like I could answer for you guys. So du is equals to 8 then x squared. Then du to 8 then x squared. What happens? Have to write again. Use block. I should use write. So write copy the 90 x squared minus sine and then the u and then the du, I think the dx is du over 18x squared. I should not forget it is not right to put dx here. Just the right. So next is the what is to this. Have put the 18 squared to this. 90x squared over the 18 over the 18x squared minus sine and then the u and du. So have to divide 90x squared divided by 18x squared. The answer is negative. Not negative. It's 5 side 5. Then copy the sign. U in the D. Or you should not put the D. It's okay. 5 sine U. Ala. Oh, it's okay ba? Wait sa. Have next as wait, you have to forget this side. Plus C. So, this is the answer? No, of course not. So, if we have to integrate this side, it's become negative 5 cos, and in the u here, it's 2 plus 6x cubed, and then the plus c. Should not forget the c, guys. Plus c. Should not forget the c. Always. So next is, I guess this is the last one. Five. So the first thing first to do is the highlight. Shh, Ali. No. Ate, please, kuha si Alison. So first, du. Right. So I guess this is the last one. So what is the highlight? The highlight one is this. Let's make the u. The z squared minus 8z. The du is 2 no, it's 2z. It's 2z minus 8, right? Yes, it's right. Then the zzs du 2z minus 8. So that's right. And then next is to write 5z minus 4, and then the u, not that. We should put this. Tabo as 3, and then the u, since square man siya, sumusod na button din sa u. Square. Then the du, and then 2z minus 8. And now, next is to this 5z minus 4 plus this 2z, you have to kanang ng bungkagon sana siya, guys, para mahimo siya. Nakawit siya first so what kanang number nga para mabuhat na mo siya yan. That's d2 have to times this 5x plus 2z. 2 times negative 4 is 8. And then have write the u and the du. So now let's have to cancel out this. Have to put the 5 to gawa sa degrees. And then next is 3, and then u, and then the du. So now we have 5 to here. Let's copy. It's but it happened to u for 1, 3 du. Like this. Muna siya 1/3. But I should put this plus. And then next. So next is have to to plus this. U is equals to 5G. Have to what? Naman siyang 40, right? Wait, U 4, 3, and then no, this is not the right answer. Siyang 40. Oh, this is not derive. Ito tayo pala guys. Dragon din siya. U43 plus 1 din siya. That's right. Oh yes, bataan pa din siya 43 yan eh. Exactly, that's right. And then you have to 5, 2, and then 2 times this, times this. So 3 fourth, and then U 4 third plus C. The next is, wait, have to, it's the next page now. It's 5 half, and 3 fourth, U 4 third plus C. So have to times this times. So, times 15. This is equals to 15, 8, U 4 third, plus C. And then this is the right final answer, right? So next is 5, 8. The U is Z squared minus 8Z. U is Z squared minus 8Z, and then copy the 4th, 3rd plus C. So this is the final answer of the 5Z minus 4 3 cube squared of Z squared minus 8Z dz. This is the final answer. So I guess that's all, and thank you.